How to increase your mobile deposit limit in Relay Bank. Hook. Have you ever been in a situation where you needed to deposit a check into your bank account, but you couldn't because your mobile deposit limit was too low? If so, you're not alone. Many people find themselves in this situation from time to time. In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase your mobile deposit limit in Relay Bank. Context. Relay Bank is a great bank for people who are on the go. Their mobile app is easy to use and allows you to deposit checks quickly and easily. However, there is a limit to how much you can deposit at once. If you need to deposit a check that is larger than your limit, you will need to visit a branch or ATM. This can be inconvenient, especially if you are busy or don't have time to go to the bank. Main content. Step 1. Open the Relay Bank app. Step 2. Tap on the menu button. Step 3. Select Settings. Step 4. Tap on Mobile Deposit Limits. Step 5. Enter the amount of your new limit. Step 6. Tap on Submit. Your new limit will be effective immediately. Additional tips. You can increase your mobile deposit limit up to $10,000. You will need to provide your identification to verify your identity. You may be asked to wait a few days for your new limit to be approved. Conclusion. Increasing your mobile deposit limit is a great way to make banking easier and more convenient. By following the steps in this video, you can increase your limit in no time. Call to action. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. I would be happy to help. Outro. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And be sure to check back soon for more videos from me. End script. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.